Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you incorporated collagen in your diet yet, I recently started using this collagen from the Great Lakes Wellness. It's quick dissolve collagen. So I was looking to improve the strength and the quality of my hair and my nails. So I was really impressed with using this product because I did notice changes within the first couple of weeks of using collagen. I really love this product because it's unflavored and there's no scent to it. It's a really nice fine powder. It doesn't clump at all. I've been incorporating it in my daily smoothies, so I'll put whatever fruit, whatever I want in my smoothie, and then I'll add 2 scoops of this collagen. I love the fact that the texture isn't gritty at all. It dissolves right away, and it gives me the benefits of having that collagen in my diet every day. Because it is unflavored and there's no scent really, you can add this into any food you want. You could put some in your coffee and your tea. You could even put some in your scrambled eggs every day. The point is getting it into your diet. So I'm really impressed with this product. I think you'll love it as well, and that's my point of view.